FPV? What's that?
Wait, you've never heard of FPV?
Is it a video game?
Well, sort of.
Is it like VR?
You're getting warmer.
Oh, so it's a camera drone.
Even better. Introducing the Tinyhawk Lite, your introduction to the world of FPV. Experience high-speed flying for the first time in an immersive first-person view. This ain't like your dad's RC plane.
So what's it like to fly FPV?
It feels like this. And like this. All rolled up into one. With 8 minutes of non-stop thrills, it'll feel like a roller coaster you'll never want to get off of, but in a small, cute scale. Fly it in the home, fly it outside. With Beta Flight, you can program it to fly however you like. And with 400 milliwatts of video power, you'll have plenty of range to explore the world. Plus, with industry-standard radio and goggles, you can still use everything when you make it to the big leagues.
That kind of looks fun.
You bet it is.